Hello friends, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix TikTok. Something went wrong on iPhone 14 Pro Max after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is check for update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. So go to settings. Now you can simply tap on general and now you can appear on the screen software update. Tap on it, checking for update. Now you can see that iOS 17 update is available. Tap on update now to install and update your iOS latest version. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update the TikTok app. Go to the App Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, or go to App Store, tap on search bar and you can enter TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Now you can see that update is available. Tap on update to update your TikTok app and fix your something went wrong issue. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix software issues. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button until you see the slider is appear, or press the power volume up button, volume down button and power button until you see slider is appear. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, then wait a few seconds before turning it back. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is clear the TikTok apps cache. So go to settings, go to general. Now you can see iPhone storage. Tap on it. Here you can find TikTok app. Tap on it. Now you can see documents and data, and clear it and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is reinstall TikTok app. If none of the above steps work, you can try reinstall TikTok. So simply you can go to settings, again tap on general, and here you can see iPhone storage. Tap on it, again tap on TikTok, and now you can see offload app. Tap on offload app and then reinstall it to fix your TikTok something went wrong problem on iPhone 14 Pro Max after iOS 17 update. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.